Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're making these adorable Christmas ornaments. They're little polar bears made from recycled materials, and I think they're super duper cute. They're great for the Christmas tree, but actually they're lovely for winter too because they're just a little polar bear. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our little polar bear, you're going to need lots of bits and pieces. Now, it might seem like a lot, but it's, as always, it's improvised with what you've got at home and work with that. Obviously, you will need a cork. Now, I'm using Prosecco or champagne corks. You can use a straight cork. It'll look just as cute. I just have these, so I think it's great. Then I used a black pen, some white paint, scissors for cutting. We're going to use these later, so I'm going to put that away. We'll also need this in a minute, the wires for hanging. And yeah, that's it. Actually, let's just start and see how to make our little polar bear. So I'm going to start off with getting some of my craft wire, if I can get it out, and making a little loop. This will help us for hanging later, and also will help us with the painting, because it'll be something that we can hold on to. So I've got my little wire. I'm going to give it a little twist. Probably a little bit too long, actually. You don't need quite this much. Trim off the edges. Sometimes I make them a bit too big. Here we go. Then I'll get some my sharp little scissors. Now have a think about where your face is going to go. Actually, this is quite a neat, clean cork, so it doesn't really matter so much. Find the middle, make a hole. If you need help from an adult, do ask for help. And then you can just twist your little holder in. Now, if you want, some people like to add a bit of glue, or sometimes I've added glue in the past. It's really up to you. I don't think it matters too much if it's got glue in it or not. So it's all ready now for decorating. Now, some corks like this one have got writing on, this one doesn't, but if it does have writing on, find a clean patch like here, and that's where we're going to put the face. So it's very simple. You do a little nose, and a little mouth. And then like a little triangle all the way around, paint or draw your polar bear mouth. Now, I'm using this sort of liquid paint pen, so I do need to let that dry, but that's okay because I've prepared one earlier for the next step. So I'm going to put this aside, let it dry. Next step, really easy, get some paint. I might get some scrap paper. Put this on my scrap paper and just paint it white. I'm going to fast forward this bit, but we're just going to paint all around it. Close this up, put this to the side. We're going to let this dry over here. And yes, you've guessed it, I've prepared one earlier. Look at that. So all dry, all finished. And it's now just the last little details. We're going to use our scissors and our felt. I'm going to use my black pen again. Again, if you don't have black pen, you can use black paint and maybe a toothpick. That can be quite helpful, a toothpick for painting details, and then you just add the little eyes. You can make them a girl one or a boy one. Keep it simple, whatever you wish. Let's glue on the ears. So, cut out 2 little ears. I've been preparing my hot glue gun. Here's a hot glue gun, it's nice and hot. And I'm just going to very carefully put some glue. This is always a bit messy on the side. And put one ear on. Obviously, careful not to burn yourself. The glue will dry opaque, which is fine because the bear is white. So I don't mind that. I'm going to use a yellow scarf on this one. Cut a long strip. It's not an exact science. You might just have to measure it out. Maybe use a scrap piece of paper to see how long you want it first. I sort of trialed this a few times, so I already know the length. If you want, you can cut some little kind of like scarf ends. Don't make them too thin because they'll just rip off because it's very thin and it'll, you know. And then take your little polar bear, tuck it under. And there you have, let's see, your little polar bear decorated. Isn't he cute? Here's one with a blue scarf. Obviously we're going to do a whole set of them, and I'm going to do one, I think, with a Christmas jumper. Watch out for that. And look at that. Aren't they adorable? Our little polar bear Christmas decorations made from recycled materials. Now, I have tons and tons. Actually, I've got a whole playlist of Christmas ornaments. Do check the playlist out. And as per usual, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.